Hello everyone, welcome back in biology class. Today this video I am making to make you understand the another living tissue in plant body and its name is collenchyma. Okay. Biology 9th and we are studying plant tissues. Which type of plant tissues? Simple permanent plant tissues. Okay, and today our topic is collenchyma. Okay, dear students, collenchyma is made up of two words, that is cola and enchyma. Okay, that means glue and infusion. Collenchyma are simple tissue having primary body, like parenchyma. Okay, they are living cells of the tissue are living. Okay, cells of tissue are living. They have a thin cell wall along with thickening of pectic materials at the corners where a number of cells join together. Okay, number of cells join together. Okay, this parenchymatous tissue, this collenchymatous tissue is present in soft aerial parts of the plant, like the leaf stalk, mid-rib of the leaves. Okay, they are present in soft aerial part. Present means tissue present in soft aerial part. Aerial means हवा में जो part होते हैं, aerial parts of the plants. Like you can take the example, stalk, mid-rib of leaves. Okay, they are present in softer part and provide them capability to bend without breaking. Okay, in soft aerial parts, present in soft aerial parts of the plant and make them able to bend without breaking. Okay, now what structure the cell is having. The cell can be in different shape. The cells are living also. Okay. So if we draw the diagram, suppose this is in this way. You should also try to draw the diagrams. Okay. In this way. Here also. Okay. This is now, if you suppose this is primary cell wall, primary cell wall. Okay. So this have the cytoplasm. You can draw in whole figure. This is the cytoplasm, and you are knowing the nucleus is peripheral in position. So this is the cytoplasm, because these cells have a big, means large vacuoles in them. These cells have a large vacuole in them. So this middle area, which is empty, is vacuole. Okay, in this way. This I am drawing is the cytoplasm. Okay. You can draw the nucleus here. You can draw the nucleus here. You can draw the nucleus peripheral in position. Okay. This is the nucleus. Okay. And these also having in this way. Suppose another cell joining from here. In this way. Okay, so they also having the cytoplasm. Okay. So this corner of the cells you are seeing here, they having a very small space. This corner is thickened. Okay. The corner of the cell is thickened by pectic materials. Okay. Where a number of cells join together. Here, these corners. Okay. Here, not here. Here. Okay. Here. Here. So this corner is having the thickening. What is thickening of pectin? Okay. Where a number of cells join together in the plant. This you can name cytoplasm. This you can name nucleus. Sorry, vacuole. This is the nucleus. So this is the collenchymatous cells. If we talk about their functions, so they provide flexibility and elasticity to the plant. Main function, flexibility and elasticity to plant parts. Okay, like the leaves, like the fruit, in which they bend without breaking. Flexibility and elasticity. Elasticity, when we pull anything, it enlarged. Okay, so that is the elasticity. And flexibility, when we bend anything and it bended without breaking, that is the flexibility. So this provides flexibility and elasticity to the plants. Okay, in many dicotyledons plants, they are also present in stems. That's why the dicot plants bend without breaking. In certain plants, they are present at the margin of leaves. Okay, margin. Suppose this is a plant and it has a leaf like this. This like. So they are present at the margin of certain leaves. They are also present at stalk of the leaves. They are present in stem also of dicotyledon plants or any stem which bend without breaking. Okay, so these are the locations of the parenchymatous tissue. Okay, means they are mainly supportive in function. You have to remember that they are arises from meristematic cell after differentiation. They are the group of living cells. They have thin cell wall but possess the thickening of pectic materials at the corners. They are present in the soft aerial parts of the plant where they make the plant able to bend without breaking. They can be present at leaf stalk, midrib of the leaf, margin of the leaves, in stems, stalk of the fruits, etc. Okay, so this is all about the collenchymatous cell. Later we will discuss about the next topic, that is the sclerenchyma. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day to all of you and thank you for watching also.